So here's how you can allow camera access on Roblox on iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Well, on your iPad, you need to locate the main settings app, and in the left panel where you see all of the categories, you have to find the privacy and security. In there, you can scroll down a little bit and there is the camera section. Inside in here, we can see all of the applications which have requested to use the camera, right? So when, for example, you download Instagram for the first time, it asks you if you want to allow the camera, right? You say yes or no, and then you can change it later in the settings. And the point is that you should also see the Roblox application right there. If you do not see it in here, it's possible that the app hasn't even requested access to your camera just yet. So now you just have to start using the app, right? You just have to make sure that you get to a situation where a camera is needed, and then you get to decide if you want to allow it or not. And as I said, anytime you have the ability to revoke your decision to change it up, allow it or not allow it based on your preference. But that's how it works, not just for this app, but literally for every installed application on your iPad. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching and your support. In case you have any questions, you can leave them below, but stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in those videos as well.